Solving logarithmic equations, made easy. Example number 1. We have log base 2 of x is equal to 5. What we want to do first is rewrite this as an exponential equation. If you need help rewriting these into exponential equations, click on this link right here. I made a video on that. So, first things first, let's look at our base. Our base here is 2, so we are going to write that down. Okay, so we have the base, and now we know that 5 is the exponent. That means the 5 is going to go as the exponent above the 2. And that's going to equal to the number, in this case is x. So all we have to do is simplify this. 2 raised to the 5th is 32. And that is equal to x. This is our final answer. Example number 2. We have log of x is equal to 4. One thing we need to know, whenever you do not see a base and it's a log, the base is 10. Okay, so let's go ahead and rewrite this as an exponential equation. So we take our base, which is 10, and our exponent is 4, so that is going to be 10 raised to the 4th power is equal to the number. The number here is x. All we do from here is simplify. 10 raised to the 4th is 10,000. And that is equal to x. This is our final answer. Example number 3. We have ln of x is equal to -1. Whenever you see ln, that just means natural log. Whenever it's a natural log, that means the base is e, and e is a real number. So let's go ahead and write our base down, which is e. Now, let's go ahead and rewrite this as an exponential equation. So our base is e. We're going to write that down first. The exponent is -1, and the number is x. What we're going to have to do from here is use our calculator. All we do is we take e raised to the -1 power and see what the answer is. If we do that, our answer is 0.368, and that is equal to x. This is our final answer. Example number 4. We have log of base 2 of x plus 5 is equal to 8. So, in this example, 2 is our base, so we're going to write that down. 8 is our exponent, and that is equal to the number, which in this case is x plus 5. Now all we do is simplify. 2 raised to the 8th is 256. That is equal to x plus 5. To get x by itself, we subtract 5 from both sides. Those 5's cancel, and what we have left is 251 is equal to x. This is our final answer. Example number 5. We have log base 5 of 125 is equal to x. So we know that 5 is our base, x is the exponent, and that is equal to our number, which is 125. Now, when we're looking at this, what we want is we want to make the bases the same for both. So, if we're to look at 125, we can actually make 5 the base. We can do that by doing a little bit of prime factorization to help us out. So, 125 can be broken down into 5 times 25, and 25 can be broken down into 5 and 5. If we're looking at our factor tree, we can see that there is 1, 2, and 3 5s. What that means is that 125 can be written as 5 to the 3rd power. Now, when we're looking at our equation, what we can see is that these two exponents need to be the same for this equation to be equal. Therefore, from this we can gather that x is equal to 3. And that is our final answer.